What's going on, everybody? I was trying to make a video earlier today about me putting on the FPV camera on the RC 4-wheel drive D90. I'm gonna probably have to re-go through it because when I put it in my computer, it was like it was moving by frame by frame by frame, and I don't even know if this is even moving frame by frame by frame. All right, anyways, let's get started on the build. Got some little get our gears. I'm hoping that this tool right here will fit. I got this with I ordered the dual motor. No, that one is a new one. I just opened that one. That one came with the Atomic, the DRZ. Put some grease on that in a second. I just want to see if this will fit. Nice. I'm not gonna tighten that down yet. This one. Put back in the bag. Oh, that Lego dude's all in the grease. I want to be real careful. This is like 80 grit sandpaper. Alright, I sanded down some. Let's check it now. Come on. Really being a booger. This is very depressing. I went to go press it in. I tried filing it, and this happened. So I gotta order a gear. Damn, this is never happened to me before. So that broke off into the bearing. The hole wasn't there was like a burr. The hole wasn't drilled straight. Not enough material, or too big of a, like how, I mean, it's a very, very small way. I know it's hard to drill these holes on these small parts, So some parts will just end up like that, you know, just a little defect. You know, and there was too much material on this side for the bearing to pass through, so I tried sanding it. I probably didn't sand it enough, and I mean, I could still probably save this bearing if I just hold it and then punch that little piece of metal out, but I gotta order a new gear. So yeah, I'm gonna continue trying to make this this roof rack for this D10, and then once I order the D4L, I order the servo, order a battery, then I'll continue to build or whatever. But that was bag C. That was a try. Now I'm just gonna put everything up, go outside and shovel my snow, and I'll do a video real quick of me showing how I hooked up that FPV camera. It's real simple. Tim showed me how to do it. We just hooked up, well, he didn't show me, he told me how to do it over the messenger. He was like, yeah, instead of you using those tiny root batteries, just you know, use a oh man, I can't even think straight right now. Use a plug and just plug it into your RX, you know, run the camera power off the RX. I'm like, sweet, those tiny root batteries, 3 minutes of FPV driving when I got like 20-30 minutes of drive time, a lot of times longer. Alright, I'm just gonna set this like this. I'm gonna set this over here. I'll set that down there. Alright, there's, so we'll order another part. Let me clean up. Yeah. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. A couple more weeks, because I gotta order another one of these skid plates here for my AO2, because I was out crawling, was trying to put a panhard bar on, and I stripped my ball stud out. So things have not been going so well in the shop. We got some broken parts, so I'm gonna actually order 2 of these metal skid plates so I can put one in my Orlando Hunter and the Defender. Put one in the Defender, put one in the Mitsubishi Pedro, because I'm putting metal drive shafts in the Defender, so why not? You know what I'm saying? Man, I was really like in the building today. But things happen. I know there was a reason why I have to get that. Like, my goal was to get this roof rack done right, and as you guys see, I done went to 20-30 different prints, and you guys hear the printer going right now. Just trying to get this roof rack done. I haven't even like fixed my panhard bar because I wanted to go drive my F-150 out in the snow, and I gotta fix the panhard bar on that. I gotta build a panhard bar for this truck, and then I could probably move this to a 3-link suspension if I do that, so that'll give me time where I can drive that. I got the Bronco back going, the Jeep's going. I'm gonna go and get some paint because I gotta get paint for the bodies and paint for the DRZ. So once I get paint for these 2 bodies, you know, yeah, I'll be able to go up there and drift up there at Excel. I mean, I could drift it now, that way they can teach me how to drift, but I just want to paint the body. Have my Defender painted, reprint some wheel wells, because these came off the Monoprice Mini Delta, and now with that 00.2, the prints are better on the All-in-R, so I'm going to reprint them on the All-in-R. I want to order another AX3 radio, so that when my F-150 I have its own radio, and the Jeep I have its own radio. So, because the Bronco's being shared radios with my wife's truck. So, yeah. A couple more weeks, we will have this truck built. I knew I should have, as soon as I opened up the box, I should have just went ahead and just rampage built it. Nope, I want to take my time. But that's good though. I took my time and I can feel out the problems, because we're gonna put another we're gonna get another D4L, and that's what's going in the Defender. Right now, I think I'm gonna go outside and play around in the snow. It's still snowing. All right, I'm not doing anything. I'm going in the front room because the kids got a snow day, and I'm going to play some Starlink or going to play some spin tires. All right, you guys. Peace out. MicroScale Garage. Yeah.